Hello, this is a tutorial just explaining how you can reduce the amount of PBR textures you need, which will help increase performance for your game. In this situation, it's recreating these for a mobile game, but the same technique can be done for other platforms as well. So within Photoshop, we're looking at the normal map, and Unity only needs the red and green channels to understand that normal map and display it correctly. So we've got an extra channel, the blue channel, just going spare, so we can sneak in our smoothness map into the normal map. So if you go Control A, Control C within Photoshop, and we just paste it within the blue channel, now we've got this one image, the normal map, that has the red and green channels that it needs to understand the normal map and display it correctly, but it also has the smoothness map within that. And that's a great way of optimizing your textures. So we're reducing your regular PBR textures from albedo, normal, and smoothness down to just albedo and normal, because we've snuck the smoothness map within the normal map. And hopefully that helps. And just keep in mind, depending on what workflow you're using, normal maps, different pipelines will see it differently. So in this scenario, it's quite a crude little normal map, but it's only for a small piece of foliage. But for our system, white is reflective and black is matte, where other rendering pipelines will see black as reflective and white as matte. So just keep in mind that you need to cater for whatever rendering pipeline you're working for, and then obviously grays in between medium. Alright, but anyways, hope this helps. Take care.